If you've got something that you really enjoy doing, it's not work, it's something you enjoy. My grandpa once told me, he said, if it's worth doing, it's worth learning how to do yourself. And I've kind of taken that as an adage through my whole life. My name's Troy Gaddis. I'm a repair and maintenance technician at Nick's Industrial. The majority of what I do is the heavy repair work, auger repairs, drill stems, small projects, everything like farmers bring things in, trailer repairs and fabrication work along with that. It's nice to be doing something different a lot of times. Every day may be different. You're problem solving. You never know what you're going to get into. You may have the same thing, but a different problem. You just have to work through it. One of the things I really like about what I do is I have to actually put some thought into it, not only just the physical side of it. I run my own business on the side, do CNC plasma cutting and artwork. I really enjoy doing that. It gives me a way to, express myself and do something different. My wife and I both have Jeeps. We really enjoy getting out with that. We do like Crawleyville Crawl every year, and spend time at home with our 3 dogs. One of the things I really enjoy about working here, I feel like I'm getting to the age that I need to be passing some of the knowledge I have on to some of these other people, some of these younger kids. And it really, what we do is a good way for some of these kids to learn. There's not a lot of kids out there these days that want to do this kind of work. Any way I can help them, it's going to help the next generation.